Hey guys! I'm so excited to share these budget-friendly hacks to upgrade your space. Today, we're diving into 10 super easy, renter-friendly DIY projects that will totally transform your rental without breaking your lease or your bank account. From peel and stick wonders to no-drill solutions, I've got you covered with all the tips and tricks you need to make your space feel like home. Let's get started. Okay, first up is peel and stick wallpaper, and guys, I'm obsessed. This stuff is a total game changer for renters. It's super easy to apply and comes off clean when you move out. Start by measuring your wall and cutting the wallpaper to size. Pro tip: add an extra inch on all sides for wiggle room. Now, here's the fun part. Peel off the backing and start at the top corner, smoothing out any bubbles as you go. I like to use a credit card or squeegee to get a really smooth finish. And voila! You've got a brand new accent wall that looks totally custom. I'm telling you, this DIY will make such a big impact in your space. Next up, we're talking all about removable hooks. These little guys are like a renter's best friend. You can use them for hanging everything from artwork to kitchen utensils, and they won't leave a mark on your walls. I'm obsessed with the Command brand clear hooks for a really seamless look. Here's a cool idea. Create a floating bookshelf using larger removable hooks and a piece of wood. Just attach the hooks to the wall, slide a 24-inch wood plank on top, and boom! You've got a chic custom shelf that looks like it's floating. It's such a cute way to display your favorite books or knickknacks without putting holes in the wall. You know, it's all about those sneaky storage solutions. Let's talk gallery walls, because they're such an awesome way to add personality to your space. The key here is using adhesive strips instead of nails. Start by laying out your frames on the floor to plan your arrangement. I like to mix and match different sizes and styles for a really eclectic look. Once you've got your layout, it's time to hang. Attach the adhesive strips to the back of each frame, then carefully press them onto the wall. The 3M picture hanging strips are my go-to for this. The best part? When it's time to move out, these strips come off clean without damaging the paint. It's a win-win situation, and your walls will look so Instagram-worthy. Okay guys, let's talk floors. I know we can't rip up the existing flooring in a rental, but there are so many cool temporary options out there. Just clean your floor really well, peel off the backing, and stick them down. The Floor Pops brand has some really cute designs. Another great option is interlocking foam tiles. These are perfect for adding some cushion to a hard floor, and they come in wood-look finishes that are surprisingly convincing. Just lay them down, click them together, and you've got a whole new look in no time. Lighting can make such a big difference in a space, but most rentals come with some pretty blah fixtures. No worries though, because I've got some great no-wire solutions for you. First up, try swapping out the shades on your existing fixtures. You can find some really cute ones that just clip on. IKEA has a ton of affordable options that are super stylish. If you're dealing with those dreaded boob lights, try this hack. Use a large woven basket to create a DIY pendant light. Just cut out the bottom of the basket, slip it over the existing fixture, and secure it with some zip ties. It looks so custom and adds tons of texture to your space. Trust me, your landlord will never know the difference. Let's talk furniture, because we all know rentals don't always come with the cutest pieces. But don't worry, I've got some fabric fixes that will totally transform those eyesores. First up, slipcovers are your best friend. You can find ready-made ones or get crafty and make your own. They're perfect for covering up ugly sofas or chairs. For wooden furniture, try using fabric and Mod Podge to create a whole new look. Just cut your fabric to size, brush on some Mod Podge, smooth out the fabric, and seal it with another layer on top. It's such an easy way to add color and pattern to boring furniture, and it peels right off when you're ready for a change. Okay, plant lovers, this one's for you. Adding some greenery to your space is such an easy way to make it feel more like home. If you're worried about damaging walls or floors, try using plant stands or hanging planters with removable hooks. Macrame hangers are super trendy right now and add a great boho vibe. You can find cute ones on Etsy or even make your own. It's an instant way to add life to your space. And if you're really worried about keeping plants alive, there's no shame in going faux. Some of the artificial plants out there look so real now. Now let's tackle two of the trickiest rooms in a rental, the kitchen and bathroom. Contact paper is going to be your secret weapon here. You can use it to cover up ugly countertops, backsplashes, or even cabinet fronts. Just measure, cut, and stick it on. And don't forget about temporary tile stickers. They're perfect for giving your bathroom floor or backsplash a quick refresh. For the bathroom, try using a tension rod to hang a cute shower curtain or even create a faux window treatment. Last but not least, let's talk storage and decor. Command hooks are your best friend here. Use them to hang curtain rods, create a coat rack, or even make a vertical garden. For shelving, try using tension rods in cabinets to create extra storage space. Try creating a geometric design on a plain wall for some instant art. The best part? It all peels off clean when you're ready for a change. And there you have it, guys. 10 super easy, totally renter-friendly DIY projects to transform your space. I hope these ideas have inspired you to get creative with your rental. Remember, just because you're renting doesn't mean you can't make your space feel like home.